Hi and welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. We're here at Creativation 2019 in the Paper Rose booth, and I'm here with Natalie. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for popping by.
And we're going to be showing you around their booth. They've got some amazing things. They're all the way from Australia here at Creativation. So let's go and take a look.
So this is our best-selling ranch collection. We are super proud of this collection because it is perfect for card makers and scrapbookers. So we love that you can get some beautiful trees with landscapes as well as a single tree, so you can start building up some beautiful backgrounds. We have some beautiful leaves here, some windmills. These silhouettes have been fantastic. So to give you a bit of an idea how they look, this is the fence with the bird on it, so they lean towards a fantastic card. So we have some Australian animals as well as some beautiful farm animals down here as well. So suitable for all card makers, scrapbookers, mixed media artists, a little bit of everyone. So here we've got some of our best-selling stitched edge dies. These nesting frames are really, really easy to use, and they create a beautiful, lovely little stitch all the way around. We have some fantastic window frames. These are great because they open up into a really pretty window. And we also have, just down here, this is one of our banners and stars. And I've used this one here to create a scrapbook page. So you can punch out the elements here and line them up, as well as here is how it looks with the negative. So you can get two fantastic looks from one die. So we pride ourselves in having matching dies to go with our stamps because nobody likes to do any fussy cutting. So up here we have our stamp and die collection, or just a part of it actually. So we've got some the laughing animals here with the matching die, so you don't have to do all that fussy cutting. We have our beautiful Australian Snugglepot and Cuddle Pie stamps, which are an Australian icon, but they're also super cute, so there's no reason why you can't put them on some of your cards. We also have this lovely winter trees stamp, which heat embosses just beautifully. You can also stamp it with watercolours like one of our designers has done here. So you get a fantastic finish from one stamp. Putting sentiments on cards is something that we find really difficult to do. So we've designed a really fun range of sentiments so that you can make them for any sort of card. So we've got some lovely simple ones up the top here where you're looking at congratulations, you're looking at thank yous, happy birthdays. But these here are some of my favourites. So these do a beautiful layering background. So what you're looking at here is our thank you die, and that is how it cuts. So it cuts in two pieces, so super easy to put together, so much fun, and they look fantastic on your cards. We also have something for the pet lovers. Do you love cats and dogs? Everyone has their own pets that they like to include on cards. So we've got some little puppies here, some little cats, as well as some big cats and big animals. We also have a new range of birds out as well, so they look fantastic on all sorts of different projects. So continuing on with our range of stamp and die sets, we are particularly proud of some of these ones here. We have got these really cutesy little images, which will be great for colouring with Copics, watercolours, similar sorts of mediums. So what we have here is this positively awesome card by one of our Australian designers, and that's using the super cute stamp and die set. So you don't have to cut around these lovely little elements. They will cut through your die machine just beautifully. Our old car and our motorbike, they also have matching dies with a lovely little sentiment on them as well. So they are fantastic for masculine projects and will look really, really lovely on those Father's Day cards. So it's never too early to start planning your Christmas cards, and we have a fantastic range of Christmas dies. We've got some beautiful layering poinsettias up the top here. So this one here, for example, cuts three different dies in the pack, and they layer up, and they also coordinate with this corner one here. If you want layering, we've got this bauble here. This is what just recently released last Christmas, and that creates a beautiful bauble. Love your reindeers. Perfect for you here, and they cut beautiful silhouettes, lots of different sizes. Are you into a snow globe? Everyone loves a snow globe. Shaker cards are super easy to make, and this die is perfect so that you can build up your layers, create a nice little image, perfect for putting on your cards. So continuing on with our theme of nesting dies, we've got these gorgeous ones here which have got a scalloped edge on them. They are really, really pretty, and I love that you get a set of 4 in that set. Also in the squares as well. Coming up, we've got this lovely stitched edge. This one's really, really pretty and does work great on cards. Perfect for those of you who like to make specialty cards at the next size up or so. We also have some layering dies. Layering dies have become really, really popular. So this one here, for example, does 2 different layers. This is the bottom layer, this is the top layer. So you can cut them as 2 different pieces, and this is how it's going to finish up. So this piece on the top here is what you see on this side. The orange underneath is what you're going to see here. So they can look pretty spectacular. This card, I've just used Distress Oxides and then just ran it through my machine using those 2 dies. And finally, across the top, we've got our new cogs. I love cogs, especially steampunk style. So I have used the top set up here for creating this card, running it through with a little bit of foil tape. What I love about this set is we've designed it so you can do a track. You can create this lovely edge just down the side and finish off the edge of your card beautifully. So this is our newest collection. Super proud of some of these as well. Valentine's Day is coming up. These hearts are just beautiful. You've got 3 separate dies in this collection here. We've just introduced some mixed media stamps. So these ones here are designed to be used on a block, or you can just use them by sticking them onto your fingers straight onto your page. So we've got some really simple elements, some lovely, lovely designs on those ones. Our half mandala is one that we've re-released because we had so much interest in it. So it was really, really fun to bring that out again. Here in Arizona, we've got something perfect for the locals as well. This is our Succulents and Cactus. Here's a card that I've done using Copic markers. Copic markers coloured that beautiful, finished it off with a little bit of a shimmer pen over the top. So these come up looking absolutely gorgeous. Art journalists can also use our products. Here is a page that I've created using a Jane Davenport image out of one of her books. I've then stamped a few images just up the top here, used one of our dies as a stencil, added some leaves, a little bit of stamping to create my own art journal page. There's no reason why you can't use the products that you've got at home for card making and scrapbooking, as well as art journaling and creating beautiful images to put on your wall.
Thank you so much for having us here in the booth.
No worries, thank you.
So we love these designs here at Paper Rose. Check out their website and of course check out our favourite online retailers, and we'll let you know where you can get these here in the US soon as well. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.